What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBet Solutions. I hope that you guys enjoyed that little trading session. So today I made a little bit over $2,500 profit, but one of the questions that I wanted to answer for you guys today is, have you wondered what's going to happen to UWT or DWT? One of the things that I took time to try to figure out is I tried calling Velocity Shares. The number that they have on their website doesn't even work. I tried to call Citigroup and couldn't get an answer from them. What it came down to is I was working with a couple different brokerages to try to get a final answer, and I was wondering if UWT and DWT, which are ETNs that follow very closely to the overall crude oil commodity. And one of the things that I wanted to get answered is I couldn't get a final answer on that. All I know is that after April 2nd, UWT and DWT all together, all I know is that on April 3rd, they're going to have a call and try to figure out what they plan to do with UWT and DWT. With the article that I read that I will link down in the description so you can do your own due diligence, is that they will discontinue the creation of this specific ETN. So if you are someone that is holding UWT or DWT, according to this article, it will no longer continue to trade after April 2nd. So based off of my understanding, that means that you're only going to be able to sell your open position and not continue to trade it moving on forward. So I just wanted to wrap up that question that we've been getting very often. And the market was a little bit different. The market opened up a little bit more on the bullish side and then began to aggressively pull back. I don't know if you guys saw, but one of the big plays that I actually shared on my Instagram, and we were talking about it in our Learn Plan Profit group, is /NQ saw a huge spike right around 7 a.m., which is about 30 minutes after the market opens, and it became super overbought. I saw this to be an opportunity for a potential reversal. The inverse ETF is SQQQ, as I've shared so many times before. And because it was so overbought, I was waiting for pullback confirmation, and I actually made a little bit over $700 profit on SQs alone and a little bit off of TQs as it was trying to bounce back. But very happy with how this day played out. There's a lot of opportunity, there's a lot of volatility, but just like we've said so many times before, with great opportunity comes great responsibility. And you just have to understand what pace you're trying to go at. And if you're someone that's, again, simply just getting started and learning how to trade, then maybe trading something that doesn't move as quickly would probably be in your best interest. If you're someone that's a little bit more experienced, then maybe keeping up with these that move a little bit quicker isn't the worst idea. And again, at the end of the day, all you can really do is practice and test things out and find working systems that work well for you. So overall, I'm very excited to see how this week continues to trade. Again, all positions closed, just taking it day by day, just like we do every single day. So I'm excited to see you guys for tomorrow's live trading session. Don't forget, if you guys want to be able to watch me trade live, just like the Learn Plan Profit group gets to do every single morning, click the second link down below, learn a little bit more about the Learn Plan Profit group, and see if it's a good fit for you. Don't forget to join our free investing group. That's going to be that third link down below. Hope we earned your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you get alerted when I go live. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.